this video is about how to apply Kajal, and my name is Melissa van Dijk and I'm a makeup artist, and in today's video I'm going to show you step by step how you can use the Kajal and also what tools you will need to get this look so that you can recreate it at home. So I'm going to start off with the tool first so that you have an idea of what you will have at home. So first, of course, we're going to start off with the Kajal, and this one is in black and it's also from Kajal, which I highly would recommend you guys as well if you're looking for a Kajal, because this one is very soft and also smooth in consistency. Plus you don't need to have put a lot of effort in it to get it on your eyes. Then we can move on to either also use an eye primer for your base or some concealer for your base. So either way, what will work the best for you. I'll go with concealer, which I'm going to blend out later on with a damp sponge, and then I'm going to set it with some setting powder. The reason why I'm doing this is because I have a lot of discoloration on my eyelids, and this is the way how you can create a clean base to start off with. Then to create also a little bit more of a beautiful look when it comes to using the Kajal, then first you can also get a liner brush and also a smudging brush to just put a little bit more effort and more of a dramatic look all together. So of course, if you don't have the brushes, then there's not much that you can do with the Kajal, because it's mostly used when you're going to use it for smudging or your waterline. So I highly would recommend you using also the brushes, just to give you more of a variety of the looks that you can create. And for today's video I'm going to show you one look, and that's mainly when it comes to the tools itself. And I also just wanted to mention that if I'm going too quickly through the steps, and if you don't know which product that I'm using, then everything will be down below in the description box where you can follow it up and also read it in your own time. But now let's start off with the first step. Step number 1. Start with a clean base. Add concealer or eye primer onto your eyelid area to get rid of any discoloration which you can have. If you are using concealer, don't forget to set it with translucent powder later on. This will give you a clean surface to work with. Step number 2. Hold the pencil or brush horizontally so that the applicator is lined up with your upper eyelid area. Don't hold the applicator vertically. Step number 3. Sweep your Kajal pencil or liner brush across your base of your eyelid. Start at the inner part of your upper eye and extend outward. Do this in one swift motion. For a bolder look, create a wider line in the middle of your eyelid. Make your eyes look bigger with thicker lines at the corners of your eyes. And if you make any mistakes, you always can use concealer and a concealer brush to clean it up. Step number 4. Gently pull down your bottom eyelid to apply Kajal to the inner eyelid and or waterline. Use your fingers to gently access your waterline. Step number 5. Sweep Kajal product to the upper eyelid area or waterline from the outside of your eye to the inside. Sweep it back and forth more than once for a darker and even look. This is optional. You can use an eyeshadow smudging brush to smudge Kajal to obtain a smoky and darker look. That's it, dramatic bold eyes in a matter of minutes. Now these were the steps on how you can create this gorgeous look with the Kajal, and this was also all about how you can apply the Kajal. Now of course this is one way on how you can use it, but still I hope that you are able to recreate it at home. And if you're looking for a Kajal that's very effortless and goes on very easily and is also very creamy, then I highly would recommend you getting the Kryolan one, because also when I did the video, it just goes on so quickly and it's so effortless, which I do enjoy because I had experience with other ones which aren't really smooth and creamy to use. So I definitely would recommend you this one. But other than that, I hope that you're able to recreate it at home. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comment section. I also would enjoy having your problems and also seeing your problems when it comes to the application. And I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!